In this video, we're going to be focused on
Nemheng N5, which is a basic entry-level ultra-budget smartwatch. And in this video, we will check through its main features. My wife will challenge its heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and pedometer accuracy. And I will check its IP67 waterproof capabilities and will show you everything you want to know about the N5.
Welcome back, this is Adam and you're watching Family Pop TV YouTube channel.
Inside the packaging, we could find a manual leaflet, an USB magnetic charging cable, and the watch itself. The rectangle body of the N5 is very lightweight and simplistic. At the reverse of the watch we could find a PPG heart rate sensors and infrared SpO2 sensor. Here's the body temperature sensor, and here are magnetic charging pins where you could plug in a charging cable. There's one multifunction button on the right side of the case. The watch has a 20mm wide soft silicone strap. The N5 has a 1.69-inch color TFT touchscreen with 240 by 280 pixels resolution with nice looking curved 2.5D glass. The display has 4 steps of brightness, and I've been using the maximum brightness as it's easily visible in the sunlight. Besides, the display lights up automatically as you move your wrist up. The N5 is available in 3 color options, pink and white for women and black obviously for men. While talking about the design, the Nemeng claims their N5 has an IP67 waterproof certificate, so I'll drop the watch to the glass of water to see what will happen. To recap, IP67 means the unit can be dropped into a body of water up to a meter deep for half an hour. The IP67 also means that our watch is resistant to dust. I'll keep the N5 submerged for at least 3 hours, see what will happen. Right, after 3 hours the watch been submerged in water, looks like it's still alive, which means it's fully waterproof, so no worries taking it to the swimming pool. Swimming is also one of the sports modes in the N5. The watch measures swim strokes and approximates burned calories. There's as many as 24 sports modes in the N5 to monitor your workout and exercise accordingly. And outdoor running, bicycle, swim, rope skipping, badminton, table tennis, mountaineering, walking, basketball, soccer, baseball, cricket, volleyball, hockey, football, dance, yoga, spinning, cycling, sit-ups, treadmill, gymnastics, boating and jumping. You can keep track of these exercises in real time directly on the watch. For the clarification, the N5 hasn't got an automatic exercise detection, so you have to turn the exercise manually before starting your workout. The N5 hasn't got a GPS built in, but you can utilize your smartphone's GPS via the companion app. Simply start your walking, running or biking exercise from the app and it will track and record your position throughout the activity using your phone's GPS. I'll discuss the companion app and its functionality in a minute. My wife has challenged the pedometer accuracy in her N5 using a manual tally counter to track exactly 1,000 steps. As you can see, for her 1,000 steps, the N5 counted 1,005 steps, which gave us 99.5 of steps accuracy, which is pretty good considering this is the ultra budget smartwatch. Right, the next widget in the watch menu is a heart rate measurement. Let's see how accurate the N5 actually is against the NHS approved medical pulse oximeter. We got here 70 BPM on N5 and the pulse oximeter shows 70 BPM too. That's pretty good. Right, the next widget is a blood pressure monitor. My wife will compare the readings of the N5 against the Omron blood pressure monitor. Let's remember, the watch isn't a medical grade device, so its readings are to be used only for the reference. As you can see, the readings on both devices are close but not the same. The N5 has measured 110 systolic and 72 diastolic blood pressure, slightly higher than the true readings showed by Omron. The next widget, blood oxygen saturation level, known also as SpO2. My wife checks the N5 against the pulse oximeter again. Right, we got here 98% on the N5 and 99% of SpO2 on pulse oximeter. Let's do it again. 97% on the watch, the pulse oximeter still shows 99%. Let's repeat the test once more. 99% on both devices, not bad, but there was some fluctuation over the first two tests. The next widget, the temperature measurements. The watch measured 35.7 degrees of Celsius, comparing to an ear thermometer which shows 36.5 degrees of Celsius. The temperature measured in ear is more reliable than the temperature measured on the wrist. That's why we probably see 0.8 degree difference between the two readings. N5 struggled with my missus sleep tracking. Quite often it was able to record the light sleep and the deep sleep periods, but it failed to catch the actual time of fall asleep and the actual wake-up time. This is something many smartwatches struggling with. The N5 uses the Smart Wristband 3 companion app that you install on your phone, which is where you set and control the functionality of the N5. You'll have to scan a QR code with your smartphone to get to the Apple Store or Google Play, as the app is compatible with iOS and the Android. Once the app is installed on your phone, make sure you got the Bluetooth turned on in your phone. Open the companion app, tap on Add Device, find Smartwatch on the list, tap it, and then just confirm all the requests which will pop in on the phone screen. For example, pairing request, and allow the notifications. In the app you will get the graphs of your activities, set your goals, set the alarms and the notifications. The app has a simple layout and everything is arranged pretty neat. Here are the features of the N5 which require the constant Bluetooth connection with your phone. The weather. The music app control lets you select and play music on your phone remotely. Stopwatch, alarms, countdown timer and find phone feature. If you will swipe from the main screen of the watch, you will access the real-time message notifications from your phone and the social apps, as well as notifications about incoming calls. By the way, you can't reply to messages, you could only view them. You also cannot pick up the phone call or make a call from the watch, you could only drop it. In the app, you can pick and download a selection of available watch faces to your N5. There's around 70 watch faces to choose from. You can also create your own customized watch face using any photo or image from your smartphone as a background. Just scale it, crop it and sync it to the watch. To quickly change the watch face, just press and hold the main screen for about 3 seconds and then swipe between the dials. The N5 has a small 260 mAh lithium polymer battery which lasts around 10 to 15 days with the normal use. If you disconnect the watch from your phone and let the watch run in standalone mode, the battery would last even up to 3 weeks. The full battery charge takes around 1.5 hours. The Nemheng N5 is being sold on Amazon worldwide in a price range from 29 to 34 British pounds, 39 to 42 American dollars, and from 29 to 39 euros in Italy, France, Germany or other European countries. As always, I've done my research and I've checked the customer reviews on Amazon just to find out what the existing owners of N5 having to say about the watch, and here we got: perfect, easy to set up, super, not bad considering the price, brilliant smartwatch, excellent watch, very pleased. Here's one negative review: does not work as expected, not very accurate. I agree, the sleep and blood pressure tracking could be improved, but the steps and the heart rate are well accurate. There are many other reviews, majority of them are 5 stars, and that speaks for itself. If you think the Nemheng N5 is the right one for you, don't miss this out.
There's an Amazon affiliate link in the video description, so you could find it there for the best possible price. Okay guys, if you enjoyed that video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you won't miss when the next video comes out. I'll see you next week. That was Adam and you watched Family Pop TV YouTube channel.